Hey guys, whether you guys have Xbox, Nintendo, PlayStation, it does not matter which console you have, you can get the free skin right now from Fortnite, regardless. So right now, even if you don't have a gaming PC, you can use GeForce Now. So this is GeForce Now, and this is something that you guys can even download on your Chromebook. So if you have a Chromebook from school or anything like that, just download it. So instead of downloading Epic Games Launcher and all that stuff, just go right into using GeForce Now. You can do this on Mac as well. Right here, you guys will see there's a free membership. So this is the free membership. Just join in. I have the free one right now, and this is called GeForce Now. So right now, we're just gonna launch it up. So it's right here. This is GeForce Now. What I'm gonna do is log in. So right now we are logging in, and finally we are logged in. I'm gonna go back, and we're gonna see Fortnite right here. So how does GeForce work? Well, that means you don't have to download Fortnite into whatever you're using. So let's say, again, you guys don't have space on your PC. You guys have no space on your Chromebook to download Fortnite. This is the way to do it because you don't download the game. You just download GeForce Now, which is really small, and that's it. We can just go right into Fortnite. So we can play this right away. I'm going to launch out Fortnite. I'm going to go on and click on Fortnite again. So right now, it's going to take me here. I have to connect my account. That's very easy. Right now, I'm just going to click on my Epic Games account. So that's right here. Just select whichever. So if you guys usually sign in with your Xbox or PlayStation or Nintendo, go ahead and do that. Or maybe you guys have a specific Epic Games account that's different, then go ahead and sign in with that. And now finally, it's going to launch Fortnite. You do not need to click on upgrade. So don't do that. You do not need to upgrade in order to play Fortnite, especially to get this free skin. Because we're just gonna go in and get it and then get out. Alright, so as you log into Fortnite, everything's gonna be the same way that you would log in your console. However, obviously you need to know your password in order to get in, and that's why we linked our account at first. So right now we're just gonna click on play, and here we go. We're gonna go right in and get that free skin. Here we go. Let's just click on item shop. From the item shop, we should see our free skin. And it's down here below. So where you guys see the packs and everything, that's where you would see the free skin. So it's right here. It should say 0. So at this point in time, you guys can see that it's 0. We're just going to click on purchase. And it's going to go ahead and give us that skin. So right now I can just go on to my PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, log in there. I'm going to see the skin right there. Once we purchase it, it's going to disappear from here. So that means exactly that. We will not see it under special offers or bundles. So here are all the bundles. You will not see it here anymore as soon as you purchase it. However, if you go into our locker, let's just click on our skins. We're going to see it right here. So there's the skin. We can equip it. And that's it. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.